So we've set a very specific system to 26 different niches, and we run a ladder funnel, which allows us to bring customers in automatically every single day. It allows us to use meta ads, even YouTube ads, and break even and actually profit on that particular sales funnel every day as our monthly recurring revenue builds automatically, no sales calls required. And then what it does is it allows us to ascend the customers into 500 per month or 1,000 per month managed plans without having to actually sell them any features or benefits. They already come in wanting it, they want to go faster, and they naturally ascend. So this is how we do it. So as I said, we have this for 26 different niches, and it's all built out, and you'll see how it works. I'm going to show you inside the accounts within this video. Now, the reason this works so well is we can sell through what's called the ladder funnel. And a ladder funnel allows us to sell that $27 product on the front end through a sales funnel. It has a $27 order bump, and then it has a $97 per month plan where it's a do-it-yourself plan, but it comes with this entire snapshot loaded into their accounts, and they can then get an onboarding call, which makes it stickier, right? Clarifies things, it removes any friction and initial objections, and then that gets them retained on the platform. It's not a sales call. It's simply an onboarding call to get them set up, to get their leads uploaded, to get it connected to domains. Basically a setup call, right? That's it. And then there's an ongoing fee, obviously every month for the systems. And the systems I'm talking about here are an AI employee, voice and text, it's database reactivations, lifetime value systems, it's review systems, and also referral systems as well. So 26 different niches we have this system built out for. And basically, the key behind this is when they come in through those sales funnels, where I don't need sales calls, I simply have an onboarding call if they sign up and they already have the need for the system. They want the system already, okay? I don't have to sell anything more. They just want to go faster. So instead of do it yourself, they will want done for you. So a portion of them will. Usually I'd say about 11% want done for you based on our numbers. So we ascend 11% of them into our 500 to 1K per month done for you plan. And the reason we don't have to sell or have to hard sell anything is because we're not selling any more features or benefits. We're simply setting it up as we'll manage this for you and we'll set it all up. You don't have to worry about anything. We'll take care of everything and you can just get to the outcome even faster. And that's the key, okay, is getting to that outcome even faster. People aren't buying more features and benefits. They're buying the outcome they want and getting there as fast as they possibly can. So that's how we do this. So I'm going to show you inside the plumbing accounts. And as I said, the way this works is through a $27 product to another $27 order bump. Then we have the entire system within a $97 per month plan where they get an account on GoHighLevel. And you'll see that it comes pre-trained on that particular niche. So the plumbing niche. And then once it's within the plumbing niche, they can train it on their particular business. So they can have it scrape their website. They can add additional details they want to it, but it's already pre-trained. And you're going to see the depth of the training that we go to. And it's not just trained on, what a plumber is. It's trained on 116 FAQs, 5 rich text documents, and 10 different files. So we have a look at this. If we go into the file upload, you'll see it's trained on everything from handling availability, customer information collection, emergency calls, handling customer concerns, complaints, etc., how to qualify a plumbing job, and the complete call flow script and the service overviews as well. Then if we go into the rich text component over here, how the plumbing emergencies work, post-service care, understanding estimates and pricing. This is entire documents. Okay? This isn't just a little bits of information. This is entire documents on what they have to do, what the AI employee has to know. And then, of course, they've got the FAQs, and they're all listed out here, tons and tons of them. There's 116 of them, 5 different pages here. And then, of course, they can go to the website crawler as well. So they can upload their website, any custom information they want, they can have it inserted into the AI employee all by themselves without us having to really do anything. And of course, the done for you means we take care of everything. But the done for you becomes even more interesting when I show you inside the automations. Now, if I come into automations, you're going to see a whole host of automations for different types of things. These are not just your standard automations. These are in-depth, okay? So you've got your standard appointment boots, okay? The GoHighLevel Calendar, the emergency protocol, the human handover, and the new opportunity. If I go into plumbers, you'll see all of this, okay? And these are all individual. Now, to show you the depth of these, if I go into drain and blockage campaign, and I zoom out, because that's important for this, if I zoom out, you'll see the depth that we go to, okay? I'm going to look at the depth of this automation. That's just one of the automations. Look at the depth of that, right? So we install this entire system into their business. That was for drain and blockage. So if that particular service, they want to run a campaign for that, because remember, database reactivation isn't just about one time reactivating all leads. It's about reactivating different types of leads. So at different times of the year, running a drain and blockage campaign, early spring, outdoor plumbing prep, high water bill campaigns. So it reactivates based on different types of leads, different types of times of the year. This is the depth of reactivation. It's not just, hey, you were interested previously, are you still interested? No, we dive into the detail. And it's all custom built for plumbers. So all of the contact components of this all make sense for plumbers. Is trained, is specifically engineered. All of the copy is designed for plumbers as well. So you've got high water bill, leads who didn't book, old quote reactivations, no recent booking, offer them a free inspection. And you've got your typical, your standard reactivation just for old leads. So we have that as well. It's just a component of it. Again, look at the depth. Every single one of these is built out to that level of depth, right? This is in depth. And this is what we're installing in their business, right? This is what we're turning on. So it continues, and we even got off-season, pipe installation, and freeze. So different seasons, right, of the year. You've also got the referral automations, where it turns their customers, their existing customer bases, into new customers automatically using the automation. And again, the reviews workflow as well. So we install this entire systems from the AI employee, voice and text, and also the database reactivation automations, which cross into lifetime value automations as well, and the referrals and the reviews, all of it into their business like a machine. So we'll actually get them set up and we'll get it operating, because we know that once they're operating, the monthly recurring revenue sticks, the retention is very strong, because they don't want to turn it off. Then, of course, if they want us to just have, build more of these out, so like the Done For You Managed campaign, maybe it's Black Friday, where everybody wants to run a Black Friday offer. Doesn't matter if you're a plumber or an e-commerce store, they want to run Black Friday. If it's Christmas, if it's a different offer they've got running, whatever that might be, we can plan out their entire year with a Done For You campaign where they don't have to think about anything. Every part of the year is covered, every single part of it. It's all covered, it's all taken care of. And as I said, they don't worry about anything. That's the beauty of it. So we get them to the outcome where their entire marketing campaign for their existing leads is taken care of. All of their domains are set up, their integrations, their phone numbers, everything is taken care of. And that's the pathway. $27 product, $27 order bump, $97 upsell inside the funnel for the subscription, for the installation, the do-it-yourself installation. This funnel typically runs between break even. So basically I could spend 100 today, get 100 back today, plus building recurring revenue, plus having ascending 11% into the Done For You Managed plan. Or it runs at a 2x on the front end. So on the funnel itself, it can run at double our money. We put $1 in, we get 2 back, plus we build monthly recurring revenue, plus we build the ascension into the higher ticket component as well. All of this combined creates a really powerful funnel where we can use meta ads all day long, spend more than everyone else, simply because we're getting it back so quickly. And that's inside one of these systems. This is what it looks like, right? That's the reality of our plumber system. And we replicate this, like I said, across 27 or 26 different niches. And we're always expanding niches as well. We've got more in the pipeline that we're launching. And we just run the same system every single time. The same lead generation system, the same automation systems, customized for those niches. And we also have websites and things we can sell to them too. So all we need to do is build up our list of plumbers. Once you build that audience, you're good. You can sell whatever you want. They tell you what they want, and you can develop new products like that. But the key is being able to run that sales funnel, the ladder funnel, using it, building your monthly recurring revenue in the middle, and having the perfect ascension into the higher ticket Done For You. But of course, the key is to give them enough value, right? And this is enough value. So that's what it looks like. If you have any questions about this, leave it in the comments below. If you want this system, you can check it out. You can actually buy this system for 27 bucks and have it installed into your GoHighLevel account and sell it yourself to plumbers. You can just take it and go. So you can do this starting today and off you go. And it's only 27 bucks. So test it out yourself. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. I try to answer everything that I come across. And if you like this type of content, check out some other videos on my channel. I have tons of them. And let us know if you do have any questions.